Good afternoon,
Good
and
afternoon.
congratulations to everyone. My name is Andrea Watson, and I am the owner of Situations Hair and Nail Salon since 1994. I would like to take this moment to express my gratitude for being selected as a grant awardee. A little nervous. I am so grateful for this opportunity for me, my business, and the Cornerstone community. Situations was created with a purpose: to give people a space to feel confident, beautiful, and cared for. Situations over the years has been known as a happy space for everyone to feel welcome. As a salon owner, I have given back to the community with complimentary services to the residents, provided meals and clothing for the homeless. I have given special events for the youth and the homeless